Yeah, man, a code thing I go on right now. No. Who know the code? I say, yo, still them people where I drop some comment. You see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV. And you don't know Evette a queen a real G. You see it. Yeah, man, a best friend, them, man. When you say best friend, a Evette that and Queenie. You see it. Yeah, man. Evette not sell out Queenie for nothing at all. You see how Sean Storm not sell out Cartel no time at all. A Evette that, you see it. Yeah, man. And you don't know today. Today was Evette birthday and thing, and so forward pan ends, and you don't know the haters them. Evette have a message for them, you see it, and you know skeleton foot and thing, you don't know a she attack and the whole works. All you man we are pretend like in really with Queenie, and he knows say not really in with Queenie, he just run follow up Queenie thing for just the fame for anything get water down and thing, you see it. And I forward pan ends and I talk about him a interview Queenie mother and them thing. That just cloud chasing him there on you see it. I don't know who we are talk already, you see me? Yeah, man, I go on like him real for Queenie, but I fear me much I look out for Queenie if I'm thing water down and nobody no believe in that. I'm foolish when you usually go on with you see it. You know, say them are them type people and he still working, look at trick and things still, but people are give up on him, you see it?
And big up Queenie. You know your friend love you. Always love you. Ever love you. Love and honor, respect.
Respect. Big up on your strong Evette.
I'ma miss you. I make friend me know the code, you know. You make me feel away. I'm cry night and day. Wish you all the best recovery every time. I may talk to them. I say, I go on TikTok. I say, go on, go play a game and go on, go play. You always encourage me to strength,
One queen wheel.
good over evil every time. I don't know, every time alone, you know. All the time. Yeah, man. See me, huh? 57. I'm not take off. All of my belly big and cover my blood clot. Yeah, 57 years old. I'm not take off none. One more year upon the fuck of them. All I know want me and the queen be friend and sit down and carry me up and carry me down and carry me side but at the wrong smile do not carry. Love and respect all the time. One queen love. Happy birthday to me. I know say happy birthday my friend.
Man, I one bad Evette birthday, you see me?
Nice friend and sweep up the place because she don't want to trash her. So big up everybody. Big up. First, most of all, I'm bigging up one queen.
Every
Queen
time.
Lady Gangster. Yeah, and she make me be this. And she make me know me. And secondly, may I big up Sandy and Bones TV. And may I big up my nice son. I buy my mother my nice cake for my little birthday. And big up Sandy and Bones for this, for my birthday. And big up everybody. Big up all who don't like the queen. And big up all who like the queen. Big up all who like me. All who don't like me. Big up on yourself.
Real.
You see the summer come from the broomstick, the witch. Big up on yourself same way. Love and honor, respect. Today me a 57-year-old. I'm not hide none. I'm not take off none. Big up everybody. Love to Queen Lady Gangster.
Big
up
up.
yourself. And me I should have there today. But you don't know the code, my friend. Yeah, man.
Code.
Sometimes we plan. You hear them say when man a plan gotta wipe out. You never know what tomorrow will be. And Sunday and Bones TV come look for me and spend the whole day with me. One TV. Yeah. Big up another JBC. You know another long time TV now. One TV, yeah. Sunday and Bones TV. Tune in. YouTube. Sunday and Bones TV. Love. We say, and I love them say, love and strength and unity every time. Yeah, man. That alone I mad them. See me do me ear. Big up all of my ear just so them in a poor smoke. Cause them not like me and them like me, them not like me. Cause and them do me ear, me take it off. Yeah. Me not like ear, me not like eyelash, me not like natural. Born African. Yeah. Some me stay and some me tan. And some of them a talk about me. And some of them a talk about them know me. You don't know me. I don't grow me. Big up on yourself. Love Queen Lady Gangs every time. Recover my friend. You know, so I pray for you every day. I pray in the night and I pray in the day. And anytime I see me go up and you don't know the code. Anytime I see me go up on my knee and pray. Demon have to run away.
You know, I'm doing this video in tears. Like, today is the second consecutive day, right? I'm driving and the car that I drive is an issue, and the story is always say I suck cocky for my Benz. I'm coming from nothing. I'm coming from nowhere. Hungry, I'm barefoot, I'm poverty, I'm a store. I'm not afraid to share my story. I'm not share my story when I reach at the top. There was a time when I was sharing my story. When I cry, when I share my story, now I share my story. I don't cry anymore. But right now, I am just really hurt because I don't know why Jamaicans hate themselves. I don't know why Jamaicans feel like, say, you're not supposed to aspire for anything. I grew up in a community named Buxton, far up in a Brownstown, St. Anne, way up in a rural hills. Hungry, barefoot, I'm a store, but I know say education must be the way out. And so, I try. I'm never the brightest in anything what I do. I understand, but I put my best effort in every single thing what I do. Right? I tell St. Hilda's when I St. Hilda's are hungry and barefoot on my store. Some days I have to choose whether me I go to school or my sister go to school because of one pair of shoes by the time.
Search is currently in progress for suspects involved in the robbery of American tourists in Jamaica. Now, this is despite the level 3 travel advisory warning issued by the U.S. government. You gotta watch this video for more details.
All right, y'all. Well, it happened. Everybody told us Jamaica, beautiful, but they said it was dangerous and on level 3 travel advisory. We decided to come anyhow, and we've had a really good time. But today, it did happen. We were robbed. We were sitting having lunch. We were with a crowd of people. There were people everywhere. The perpetrator walked up. There was really nothing alarming about him. I didn't even notice him at first. He just walked right up and took what he wanted. And we were just stunned, to be quite honest. Never had anything like that happen to me before. I don't think the crowd around us even noticed it. He was that fast and that good at what he was doing. But anyhow, he got what he wanted and he took off, and luckily I had my camera out and that didn't even seem to bother him, and I did get footage of it. Again, Jamaica, beautiful, but it is a level 3 travel advisory. Y'all be careful. I'm gonna add the video. Y'all take care.